Let's go ahead and try and solve 8y minus 3 equals 11y plus 3 times the quantity 3 minus y. We'll have to start by distributing the 3 over the subtraction. So we have 8y minus 3 on the left is equal to 11y plus 3 times 3 is 9, and positive 3 times negative y is negative 3y. On the right side of the equation, we have like terms, 11y minus 3y. If we subtract the coefficients, 11 minus 3, we get 8. So the right side is 8y plus 9. The left side is 8y minus 3. If we try to combine the like terms on each side of the equal sign now, so if I subtract 8y from both sides, 8y minus 8y is 0. So I end up with just a negative 3 on the left and a positive 9 on the right. We lost all of our variable terms, and the resulting statement left over is false. Negative 3 does not equal 9. So what does that mean about solving the equation? Well, when we try to solve an equation, we're looking for a number y so that when we substitute y into the original equation, into each y, the left side equals the right side. Well, it turns out that there is no such y, which means there is no solution to this linear equation. In this example, we want to solve 5x plus 9 is equal to 9 times the quantity x plus 1 minus 4x. We'll start by distributing the 9 over addition. So we have 9x plus 9 minus 4x on the right. The left is still 5x plus 9. Now the right, we have like terms, 9x minus 4x is 5x. So we have 5x plus 9 on the right and 5x plus 9 on the left. So if we didn't recognize we have the exact same thing on the left and on the right, and we try to continue this process and subtract the 5x from both sides, we would once again lose all of our variable terms. 5x minus 5x is 0. So we'd end up with 9 equals 9. We end up with a true statement this time. So what does that mean in terms of solving this initial equation? Well, it means that the answer is just everything, all real numbers, because we're looking for a value of x such that when you plug it into the left and on the right hand side, that the left side equals the right side. Well, looking at 5x plus 9 equals 5x plus 9 shows you that it doesn't matter what you plug in for x. Since it's the same equation on the right and left side, those two are always going to be equal. So it doesn't matter what we plug in for x, and that means that the answer is all real numbers.